Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or should I say welcome back. So I've decided I'll be exploring some natural hair growth remedies, and I'll give you guys my personal feedback on these DIYs, so you can call it facts or fiction with Kels. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make this avocado hair mask. It became very popular when Cardi B shared it as her natural hair growth remedy. I have added and subtracted some of the item, but nevertheless the impact is still going to be the same. So if it's your first time here, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, especially if you want to see more of facts or fiction with cows. Okay, so the first thing we'll be doing is that you will need an avocado. Now I'm going to cut up my avocado into small pieces. So first I'm just cutting it into half, and then I'm going to just scoop it out. Now generally it would be harder than this, but I had it in the fridge for some time now, so it's a bit soft, which works to my advantage because I will not be doing the blender method. I'll be literally crushing these items with my utensils. Now the amount of avocado you use is dependent on your hair length or your hair texture. For thinner hair it would use it less, and if your hair is on the thicker side, you could use more. But in today's video I'm just using one whole avocado for this. So I'm just going to mix this until it gets super soft, as I'm not using a blender and you do not want a lot of the product to actually be in it to be stuck in your hair. Now we're gonna go on to the banana. Now I'm just going to use a half of banana because I didn't really want to use the entire piece. Truth be told, I ate the other piece. But either way, I used a half a banana in the ingredients. I don't exactly have a measurement that I am using. I just use enough, and I'm kind of eyeballing it depending on how thick I want it, or it depends on what you want. So I'm just basically, as I said, eyeballing the ingredients just so that it can be at the consistency that I want. So after that I transferred it to another bowl, and what I'm going to do, I am just going to sieve it so that I can get out all the lumps, because you don't want, when you're applying this hair growth conditioner to your hair, you have chunks in your hair. You want it to be as smooth as possible so that it's easy to rinse out after your wash day. So basically I'm just trying to get out all the products and get all the creaminess from it. Okay guys, so once I'm finished with that, I am just going to add some additional items. You do not really need to use them, and you can use or substitute wherever you need. I'm just adding a spoon of mayonnaise. Now this, guys, is an oil blend I made. It consists of castor oil, coconut oil, and some other oils that I made personally for my hair. I made it specifically for my hair. So I'm just going to mix this well, and once this is finished mixing, then it's ready to be applied to your hair. You can apply it as a leave-in conditioner and have on your plastic cap before you actually go through your wash day routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, subscribe for more, and if you'd like me to try out anything and give me my feedback, then just put it down in the comment section. Bye guys.